Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 21st, and on January the 15th, we planted our Eucalyptus silver drop seeds, and they are starting to come up. I did actually move the container out of the enclosed bag that we had it in, and I put it under the light here, and you can see here some of we still have seeds germinating here. The little red thing there, that's another seedling that's starting to germinate. And we have another one here and behind it. So they are starting to come up for us. And the light that I'm using, it's a daylight or a sunshine bulb. And it's on for 14 hours a day on a timer. I'm going to get these as close to the light as I can. As soon as I get them situated, I'll come back with another video and show you, because we don't want our stems to stretch. These actually did a little bit being in the bag because they were getting all that warmth and they just want to grow, which is what we want. That's good. So as soon as I get these under the light, we'll come back. Okay, so we're back and I got this situated under the light. I stack different things on top of each other, and you want them as close to the light as you can get them, but you do not want your seedlings to touch the light. If they touch the light, it will burn the leaves, and then you're not going to be happy with your results. So just make sure your seedlings do not touch the light. And in about 2 weeks, or when they start getting their true leaves, whichever comes sooner, because in these grow boxes they're going to heat up quicker. We're going to start feeding them then with a Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. We're going to mix it up ourselves. We use a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and we'll just give them a little feeding. One thing you want to make sure of is that you never feed a dry plant, because you will burn the root system on it, and then you'll lose your seedlings, and we don't want to do that. And another thing, eucalyptus does not like soggy soil. So we want to make sure that our tray is not sitting in water, and we want to make sure that we have good drainage. So we'll be checking these for water then. It's still nice and moist right now, so we're not going to give them any water, and we'll go from there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.